Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Claude to your Apple Calendar. Start by unlocking your iPhone and locating the Claude app on your home screen. Tap on the app to open it. Wait for the app to fully load so you can access all the features. Once you are inside the app, look at the top left of the screen. You will see menu icon there. Tap on the menu icon to open your account menu. After that, a list of options will appear. Find and tap on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can control how the app works. Now scroll through the settings until you find the option called Permissions. Tap on Permissions to continue. Inside the Permissions section, you will see different options for what the app can access. Look for the Calendar option and tap on it. You will now see the permission settings for calendar access. Change the permission to Read and Write. This allows Claude to both view your calendar events and add new ones. Next, look for the Access option. Change this setting to Always. This ensures that Claude can access your calendar whenever it needs to, without interruptions. Once you have made these changes, you can go back and close the settings. Your setup is now complete, and Claude is connected to your Apple Calendar. Thanks for watching.